Hi all, welcome back. So today I've come to unbox a very cute little pram as you have seen in the cover pic. So it is a tutti frutti pram from Luvlap. As you can see in the cover pic itself, it's a very amazing, very colorful, cute little pram. So I thought of unboxing it. So I thought, yes, I have to make a video of unboxing video of it. So this is a very cute pram, and also we can fix this pram by ourselves itself. There is a small brochure also given to us. It is the installation and application instruction book, and the name of this pram is Luvlap Tutti Frutti Baby Stroller. Now it's also called Urban Casual Traveling Car, Simple and Elegant. So I will just tell few features of it. It's urban casual stroller, simple and elegant. Widened stroller, body, extra big seat, more space for baby to sit. Now there is a 5-point safety harness safety for use liable with armrest, safe and reliable. Front wheels are 360-degree angles rotatable. Now I'm just going to name the parts of the stroller. It's a portable stroller. There is a handlebar, canopy, front armrest, footrest, cushion, and a safety belt. And also in the instruction book, they have written how to assemble it. Now I'll just read a little part of it. So one hand holds the handlebar and the other one presses the car seat. Then pull towards both sides forcefully. Moreover, step on the two safety lock until the car body fully open and connecting parts locked. Actually, when we open it itself, there is a locking strand going in the back of the pram. So actually we need little force to be given over there. We can just put it with the legs, but I couldn't do it, so I don't know if it was what I was doing correct. So I asked my father to do it at the last. So like this one manual is also there, and we can read it and also uh, assemble the stroller. Now I did that part of the locking of the stroller at the last only, and it was finally done. Now there is the assembly of the front wheel as well as back wheel is given. In the back wheel there is a brake. This one is the front wheel. So lift the front wheel. The opens of two front wheel bases are aligned to do the front foot. Then hear the click, which means that it has been in place. Press the detachable button in bottom of the front wheel, and at the same time set aside the front wheels. You can detach it. So when we place the wheel, you can see hear a click sound. So that means it is in place, and also it is easily detachable. When we can also press it for detaching it. Now there is a caution which is written: ensure that all locks are in lock up position before pulling up and pushing the baby stroller. So we have to make sure all the wheels are in the lock up position. Now there is a seat belt also. The seat belt, there is actually four belts coming in. It is a little tricky at first, but as and when we use it, we'll understand how to put it and put out. Actually, this four belt is very useful, and for the safety of the baby, because normally we see only one belt, but this there is a four belt coming in. So the caution also they have written: for safety, please use seat belts anytime and put the hip belt between the legs of the children with safety clasp fastened. So they are asking us to put the seat belt every time, because there is a possibility that the baby will fall off from the front side if we are not putting the seat belt while we are using the pram, or even while just sitting without using. If we place a baby, it is not safe at all. So they're asking us to put the safety belt every time. And also there is a 360 angles rotatable front wheels, and also lock the rear wheel, press the rear wheel brake part. So there is a brake part at the back portion also. Now there is a caution: please press the brake lever when stopping the stroller to avoid moving of the stroller. Push the stroller to check whether the locks are in lock up position. Also they have written how to fold the baby stroller nicely. They've written that also. Now, placing the wheel is easy. All the four wheels, just you'll hear a click sound. It is easy only. Okay. There is this canopy that is two layered. So if there is very much sunlight, you can open the two layers so that the baby is not getting affected by the sunlight. Also, if it is the first layer, you can see the baby through the net which is provided while we are riding the pram. Normally we will use only the first layer. And also there is a pocket at the back side where we can put very useful items that is important, like a phone or anything of the baby. We can place in the bag. It's up to 3 kilos. And also they've given some warnings, that is, this vehicle is intended for child from birth up to 15 kgs. The maximum loading carried in the basket must never exceed 3 kilos. It may be dangerous to leave your child unattended. You are personally responsible for your child's safety. Ensure that all the locking devices are fixed properly before use. Any load hung on the handlebar will affect the stability of the stroller. Do not put things on the canopy, it may cause the stroller unbalanced and tip over. Prevent your child from falling and sliding out. Always use safety harness provided. This stroller isn't suitable for running or skating. This stroller is only for a single seat. Do not carry two children. Do not lift and carry the stroller while your child is seated. Do not use accessories that haven't been approved by supplier or the seller. Do not allow your child to stand in the stroller. Never let stroller be used in step slope, stairs, escalators, sand beach, rough roads and mud, etc. Always use the brake when parking the stroller. Do not let the stroller nearby fire. Do not add a mattress thicker than 25 mm. The stroller is suitable for the child from 6 months to 36 months. Child may slip into leg openings and strangle, so always be careful. Never use in reclined carriage position unless manufacturer to insert product specific instructions. The child should never be left unattended. Excessive weight may cause a hazardous unstable condition to exist. So these are the warnings that they have given. Also, as you can see, there is a brake which we can use. We can move to the front and back. Also, there is a harness that is provided, that is a handlebar that we can place it easily. This pram is actually very useful, especially as and when the baby's weight is going up, as and when the baby is growing. It will be difficult for us to always carry and also carry the baby and also do our work. So when we put the baby in the stroller, like, they will be in a calm position, peaceful position. They can also watch everything and see everything, and also slowly they will sleep also. And also you can put them back in the bed as and when they sleep. And also while we go out also, they can also see everything nicely. And also even we can walk properly and they are also seated in a correct position, so the baby is also safe. So this is actually very economical also, because it doesn't cost too much. It is actually, the cost is around 3500. There is a summer sale going on. I bought it for 2100, around 2100 right now. The cost will be changing accordingly, according to the offers and everything. So I think this is a very economical and very pretty pram for your baby. You can actually try it out. I'll be giving the link in the description box, and you can definitely buy it from there. And I'll be showing you a video also, like my baby in the pram. So this is the video. We have kept her in, she's just 5 months old, so we kept her for a little time only. And So she's just coming up in the sitting position. She is right now not sitting very peacefully because she is not sitting on her own right now in 5 months. By 6 to 7 months and all, when the baby sit, it will be good only. Also, like this, there is a window where we can see there is a two layered canopy, as you can see, so you can see the baby through it. And this is the four belt, and also there is a hand rest and foot rest. That's the front wheel, and also the rear wheel with the brake. And also there is this small pocket where we can put this mobile and anything important. So this is the overview.
Hope you guys like it. I will give the link in the description box. You can purchase it from there. And also the summer sale is going on. You can buy it before the price hikes up. And if you like this videos related to mom stories, mom products, baby products, and fashion DIY items, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.